Filtering within Whisper is pretty straightforward. We usually set up a predefined filter bar across the top for each repository that's kind of relevant to the information within that repository. In this one, we're looking at my test setup here, where we're actually going to do a couple of quick searches with my filtering from across the top. I'm currently on my objects tab here. Each repository is set up with its own tabs as well, but let's search all of my repository here for Troy. You can see that Troy was only found on 3 volumes here. We've highlighted the name Troy within the name that was presented here. But if we just look at this other one, Troy was actually found within the description of this second volume. The filtering will search all the metadata fields that are associated with it. When we're switching tabs, the filter remains. So if I hop over to my box tab, we didn't find any boxes with Troy in it. Go over to my volume ones, that same result we saw in the all objects. So it retains the filter as we move across the top. One of my favorite buttons within the Whisper application is the escape key. This will clear and refresh everything for me, so I'll hit escape. And we've cleared our filter. You can also clear the filter by hitting the clear filter icon at the top next to the filter bar. Secondly, here we got a couple of drop downs that will help us filter based on a couple of metadata fields. In this case, let's go back to our all objects types and let's actually just filter down and take a look at just our volumes. Take a look at just our boxes. We're on our all objects tab, so we're filtering by type. We can do this also by primary, for example. I'll clear my filter again with the escape key. And I want to see everything that's associated with the primary 0-100. So here we can see we've got a number of volumes. Here's a couple of secondaries that are actually associated with that, a couple of boxes as well. This actually retains itself as we jump from tab to tab. So here if I jump to the boxes tab, we can see all the boxes that are associated with that primary, all the volumes. All of these filters are additive, so as we add new filters or hit more drop downs, we get more and more specific. So maybe I want to see primaries and just the boxes that are associated with that primary. Maybe I want to search for a specific keyword within those boxes. We can get more and more specific with our filters as we add more and more parameters from across the top.